In one of the most high-profile cases in history of the United States, the ongoing criminal trial against former President Donald Trump wrapped up for the week. Jurors have now a 3-day weekend to think about what they heard following testimonies recorded in the case.
So thank you very much. This is 8 days that we've all been sitting in this courthouse. This is all a Biden indictment. It's in order to try and win an election, political opponent, and nothing like this has ever happened.
During the 4 days of testimony, the first witness called by the prosecutors, David Pecker, the former American Media Inc. chief, outlined a scheme on how he helped Donald Trump by suppressing negative stories about him that could have been embarrassing to the real estate tycoon. Following Pecker, 2 other witnesses made brief appearances. Prosecutors called Ronna Graff, who was Trump's assistant at the Trump Organization, where she worked for more than 30 years, and Gary Farrow, whose former bank was allegedly used to wire the payments to Stormy Daniels. According to Graff, the contact information of McDougall and Daniels was registered in the Trump Organization computer system. She also said that she recalled seeing Daniels once in the reception area of the Trump Tower before her boss was a candidate to the White House. Prosecutors hope to convict the former president on 34 felony charges of falsifying business records related to a hush money payment to an adult film star, Stormy Daniels, before the 2016 election. Although the defense has argued that the hush money payment was made to spare Trump's family embarrassment and not to bolster his campaign for the presidential elections. The former U.S. president also denies encountering with Stormy Daniels. The 77-year-old has pleaded not guilty to all the charges. He claims the prosecution is a part of a plot by Democrats aimed at preventing him from retaking the White House. And for more on this, our correspondent Susan Tairani has sent us this report from New York.
Currently, the Manhattan trial of the former president is the only one proceeding, with 3 other cases delayed, including the one in Washington related to his alleged attempt to overturn the 2020 election results. The Supreme Court recently heard arguments on whether Donald Trump should be immune from prosecution for actions taken during his presidency. The conservative majority appears inclined to limit the scope of the case, potentially making it difficult to complete the trial before the 2024 election. Back here in New York, the prosecution alleges that the former president has violated a court-ordered gag order 15 times, including 4 additional times this week. They have requested Judge Juan Merchan to hold Trump in contempt, but a ruling has yet to be made. Susan Tehrani reporting from New York for WION World is One.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.